pulled up to the HKS. All right, guys, welcome back. Day 3. We are here at the HKS Technical Factory. You can see some of the cars back there in the garage. R32, we got an R34 over here, R35. We're about to go in, check this place out. So day 3. All right, so before we head in, we have to check out these cars out here. This R34. The HKS titanium exhaust, Advan wheels. This thing is gorgeous. Recaro seats. I don't think you can even see that. Windows are pretty tinted. Big brake kit. Carbon lip. This thing is beautiful. And then we got this pretty stock R35 out here. Still super cool, clean, but might have exhaust on there, not sure. But all right, so let's go ahead and take a look. So they got some turbos over here. Ooh, this is the GT3 RS turbo kit for the RB26. Very nice. They have some engines here on display. This is for the BRZ. Of course, they got all the coolant stuff you need. Brakes, coilovers. Oh, man. Some of these parts here. I don't even know if this is for sale. I would definitely like that steering wheel if they were selling it. Some tires, some Advan wheels. Some more coilovers. Of course, they have their exhaust system on display. Some strut systems. Nice. Fine spec Nismo. That's pretty rare. Extremely expensive. That's cool. HKS motorcycle. Another RB26. Wow. These Advans are amazing. They look very nice. Wow. Of course, you got some HKS goodies, shop towels. No power, no life. That is awesome. Ooh, that's a cool freaking hat. Definitely gives that old school vibe. They got some people in here working, talking business, so I'm trying to keep it quiet. Beautiful Recaro seats. Wow. That's amazing. Got a cool little car collection. Wow. Beautiful seats. They got some endless brakes over here. Oh my gosh. You see the shop out there. Oh, wow. Wow. That is awesome. They're working on a few cars. Got the S15, R35. Wow. Alright. See if we can pick this back up outside. So we stopped at this pizza place. Looks really good. So this is actually like gyoza, but with some cheese and marinara sauce. Pretty interesting. But yeah, it looks really good. All right, guys. So we're back at Daikoku. Oh man! So here we go.